What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is our first video here at Controller Garage. What we do is buy used controllers off of eBay and fix them up and then resell them. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because if the channel does get popular enough, we're gonna start giving these controllers away. So make sure you're in on that. So without further ado, here's this. Got it off eBay. It's a used Elite 1 controller. Gonna check it out, see what we need to do to fix it up. I like this case, really nice case. Okay, so looks pretty good condition. It is missing parts. Doesn't have the back paddles, but besides that, everything looks to be good. Has these two tall thumbsticks. Did come with the shorter ones, but one of them's broken, looks like. So yeah, let's go ahead and, I mean, it looks really nice. Got some scuff marks, some fingerprints, but it's in good condition for a used controller. So I'm gonna go ahead, there's some dirt there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and give it a cleaning. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna plug it into Gamepad Tester. Go ahead and see if it has stick drift. Do that. Here we go. Turn it on. Okay, it does power on fine. That's good. Let me get this. It's currently connecting to Gamepad Tester. There we go. Okay. I don't know if you can see on the screen here, it doesn't have stick drift, which is kind of surprising. Sticks look fine, they're centered, that's good. So we can go ahead and unplug that, go ahead and pop it open and see how it looks inside. Grab this. See if we can, well, probably need a different tool. Use one of these. There we go. So pry this open. These ones are a bit of a pain to open up compared to the standard Series X and S controllers. There we go. Okay. Grab a Torx screwdriver here. Pop this battery cover off. Go ahead and open it up. Put screws over here so I don't lose them. Want to come out, so grab my tweezers, just pull it out. And this is the Xbox One Elite controller, but it you can use it with the Xbox One, I believe, and it also connects to the Series S and Series X. So that's pretty cool if you don't want to buy an Elite 2, because those are really expensive. This one is a good alternative. Let's see if we can get that out. It's really stuck in there. There we go. And pop this front and back shells off. There's the front. Pull these off. Pop the back shell. There we go. does have this ribbon cable right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect. That ribbon cable can be a headache sometimes. Okay, there's the inside of the controller. Actually looks really nice. Not much wrong with it. So I'm gonna set this to the side because that's all in great condition. And then I'm just gonna clean up the shell with some Q-tips. And then, yeah, I mean, I'll put on the paddles, put on the replacement parts, the parts that it was missing, and then I think it should be okay. I got some rubbing alcohol here. Grab another Q-tip just to moisten them so that it absorbs the grime a little bit better. Just wipe around it. I really am surprised how clean this controller is and that it's functioning fine and everything. No stick drift, because it was labeled as for parts and not working on eBay. So keep cleaning it. Looks good. Get this little bit right here. Wow, that came off fast. Yeah, this one's just a little dirty. Okay, that looks good. Got all the edges clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together because it seems fine. See if I can attach this ribbon cable with these. I'm not a fan of. Really hard to deal with sometimes. Oh, there goes the button. Bear with me for a second. There we go, I think it's in. Yeah, that's good. Okay, go ahead and put the back shell back on. When you're putting on a back shell on any controller, make sure that these, I'm not really sure what they're called, the battery prongs there come all the way through, because otherwise you could mess them up pretty bad if you jam them in there. Okay, get the back on. Grab the front. Actually, I'm gonna put the thumbsticks back on before I forget. Put the front shell. So click it. Should. There we go. Kind of here. Pop those trigger. You gotta kind of pop the triggers down. There we go, for the shell to lock back on. Reinsert these screws here. Good. Next one. And anytime you're taking apart any kind of controller, make sure to put all your screws somewhere you're not going to lose them, because otherwise they will get lost. Put that one there. Screw there. Perfect. There we go. This one here. Cool. Pop the back cover on. These back side grips, like these rubberized side grips. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab these replacement paddles I have here. Put those on. One more. There we go. Okay. Drop these thumbsticks in. And there we go. This one's, yeah, gonna be auctioned off on eBay. Oh, that's the wrong paddle. There we go. This one's gonna be auctioned off on eBay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, because if it gets popular enough, the channel, we will start giving these away. So yeah, and go ahead and replace the D-pad too.